Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to animate smart art graphic in PowerPoint to make your slide more dynamic and visually engaging. So let's get started. First, you have to open PowerPoint slide, your presentation, and click on the slide that contains smart art you want to animate it. Now click directly to the smart art graphic. To select the entire object, you will see a border appear around it. Now click on the Animation tab of the top of the screen. This will display a gallery animation option you can apply. Choose animation like fade, fly and float, slide, wipe, shape, will. You can choose any of these. You will notice entire smart art animated as one by default, but you can customize it. Now you can choose any of this and just click on the preview button which present on the left side and you will rewatch your presentation. That's it. You have learned how to animate smart art graphic in PowerPoint like Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.